Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Oh no, not good? Well, today guys, on my channel I'm going to be making a chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I get it done, just continue watching. So guys, these are my ingredients I'll be using to make my shrimp and chicken Alfredo. My chicken here and my shrimp here. As I always say, my space is small guys, so I have to work with it. And this is my fettuccine. I have my pasta sauce, but I'm also going to use, this is how I like to make mine guys. I use the heavy cream with some of the sauce. I like it like that. You don't have to do it like that, but this is how I like it, okay? And I'm also going to do some broccoli. I have some mozzarella cheese and I have some Parmesan cheese, okay? So I'll be going ahead and putting some chicken seasoning. A little cayenne. My niece and nephew, they don't like spice. They don't take that from their auntie at all. Okay. Alright. I'm not putting a lot of seasoning, powder seasoning guys, because as a season a lot of chicken that I'm doing. But I still need it to have flavor. This is some Maggi. Alright. Going to pot dry my shrimp. I'm going in with some Cajun. You can use Old Bay too. I don't have any Old Bay right now. Old Bay is very nice to use on shrimp guys. Some black pepper. Like I said, I don't need a lot of seasoning on this, okay? I'm not going to go in with too much here. And just a little Maggi. That's it. That's it. Just combine the season so everything gets incorporated, right? Nicely. Okay. I'm gonna set my water for my pasta guys. I'm also going to blanch my broccolis. Not boil them, like just blanch them, you know, so they're a little softer. Guys, I'm just going in bouillon for my broccoli, just to give it a flavor, you know. That's how I like to do things in my kitchen. You don't have to do it like this guys, okay? That's my water. I'm gonna let it boil. Come to a boil, and then I'll add my pasta in. Okay guys, I'm going in with my salt. You know you want your pasta to have nice salt water, okay? Yeah, you have to have your salted water for your pasta to give it flavor. And just cook till al dente, you know. And you might be wondering, what am I saying, al dente? Alright, that is just you know, pasta. Typically though it's cooked, it still have a firm texture. That's what al dente is. Alright. I'm just going to blanch them guys. I'm just going to run my broccoli under some cold water guys to start the cooking. Okay, or you could put them in some ice, you know, some ice water to ice bath. Just put some ice in a container and put them in too. You can do that as well. All right, so my water is boiling for my pasta. I'm just going to go in with my pasta. Okay, just going to chip a little bit of oil in it so they don't stick together. That's that. I'm going to cook these for about 5 minutes. Okay. Here's my pasta cooking, guys. Following the instruction, 8 to 10 minutes. Pot I'm gonna go in with my shrimp. Cook shrimp, right? You don't cook shrimp for a long time, so I'm gonna just give it about 4 minutes. Thereabout. So on each side. All cooked, guys. My shrimps are ready, guys. You know when your shrimps are ready and you see that orange or peachish kind of look. Yeah. Because you don't want to cook them too long, they will get rubbery, tough. We're doing some olive oil. Not a lot. Olive oil. This is a pot I use to fry the shrimp and the chicken, guys, but it's smaller. So I'm going to scrape all this into this bigger one because this is all flavor right here, okay? Mixing some butter and olive oil together. Just throwing in my garlic and my onion. Man, you should smell this already, guys. Smelling so good. Don't let your garlic burn, guys. That won't give a nice flavor at all. Going in with my heavy cream. Alright, I said, guys, I did scrape it out. Yep. This is what I was saying, guys. I like to add some sauce, even though I did the heavy cream and the onion and garlic, and I know this have all of that in it. I still like to add flavor, some extra flavor. That's just me. Maybe I'm just extra. I don't know. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but this is how I like to do mine. Okay, we're just gonna let this come to a nice simmer here. Also going in some parsley, black pepper, guys. I'm telling you, my kitchen is smelling so heavenly. I'm putting a little bit of cayenne in this, not a lot. Parmesan. Guys, it's going to be so nice because you have the flavor from the ready-made sauce and the one that I made up together. So you know that's nice flavor combined there. Just put in a little touch of salt. See that? I'm going to add some mozzarella to it too. Like I said, guys, you don't have to if you don't want to. Just use the Parmesan. Okay? So guys, I'm going to add some of the chicken in now. Also some of the shrimp. Okay, this is how I like to do it. And I'm gonna go in my pasta. Guys, I'm trying to maneuver with my two hands here, okay? So just bear with me a little. Thank you. Remember guys to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, please, when you watch the videos, could you just press the thumbs up for like, please? It will surely help me a lot. And I do appreciate all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Put in my broccoli. So creamy and nice is this. I'm gonna go in with my recipe shrimp. I just like to do it like this. You know, you have some that is well coated in the sauce and some that are not so much coated in the sauce, but you don't have to do it like that. We're doing my rest of chicken. Going in some more parsley. Dry parsley, that is. If you have the fresh one, you can go ahead too. All done, guys. There they are, guys. My nephew Antoine and my niece Thais. Look how gorgeous they are. They're the one I'm cooking the Alfredo for. Man, these kids gonna tear it up.
Good food. Tastes amazing.
I know. Thank you, Mama. All right. There it is, guys. All done. All done, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys, this is smelling good, looking good. So give the chef a kiss. Mwah. Okay, guys, you are welcome to have some. Okay. I'll put a little bit more Parmesan on it. Thanks, guys. Bye. There it is, guys. All done. Thanks for watching. Garlic bread.